Welcome to VR Warehouse Order Fulfillment.
Proceed to Rack 10. Check that the SKU, LPN, and item name on the product match the details in the check sheet before proceeding. Place the highlighted box onto the wooden pallet. Repeat the process for the remaining highlighted boxes. Great job! You have successfully completed the warehouse picking process.